Hey there, in this video, I'm going to show you how to lock and hide apps on your Samsung Galaxy F36 5G. Let's go. Welcome back to the video. My name's Sergio, and in this channel, I make life-saving tech videos. So if you're new here, feel free to subscribe and hit the bell while you're down there. All right, let's jump right into it. I'm going to show you how to lock and hide desired apps on your phone, and on Samsung Galaxies, we're gonna do this using the secure folder option. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to settings. Here in settings, we're gonna find security and privacy. Here in security and privacy, scroll down to more security settings. And then here, the first option will be secure folder. Go ahead and select it. So we're gonna have to create the secure folder first. So go ahead and hit continue. So you are going to have to sign in either with your Google account, Samsung account, or email or phone number. So I'm just going to sign in with my Google account. Okay, so continue through all of these steps here. All right, so here we have to confirm a couple more terms and conditions, hit agree. Okay, so permissions for the secure folder, continue. All right, so it looks like it's creating the secure folder now. So let's give it a couple seconds. All right, so here you have to set up a security for your secure folder. So you can either use a PIN, password, pattern, or a biometrics. I'm just gonna go with a PIN for the purpose of this video, much easier. And here it's just letting you know that if you forget the PIN to your unlocked folder, you can reset it by using your Samsung account. So you can turn this on if you like. You know, you don't necessarily have to, but this is just in case you forget your PIN that you just created or your password for your secure folder. So I'm just gonna hit turn on, much easier, and then go ahead and hit next. Okay, so there we go. Now you have your secure folder. So these are apps that automatically come enabled here for the secure folder. But for the purpose of the video, let's say you wanna, lock a social media app, for example. So let's use Facebook that I have here for the purpose of the video. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to the secure folder, which will be here in all your apps. Okay, and then you're gonna add the app. So select the plus sign, and then here we're just going to scroll down till we find Facebook, which is right here. Okay, so select the apps that you want to add to the secure folder. Go ahead and hit add, and there we go. We added Facebook. So the next step now is, we're going to delete Facebook from the apps here because they can still be accessed without the password. So what we're going to do now is we're just going to tap and hold on Facebook, and we're going to uninstall it. Okay, so let's go ahead and hit select Facebook. And we're gonna hit disable. Okay, disable Facebook. And there we go. As you can see, Facebook is no longer on your apps here. Okay, it's not on the home screen, and it's not in all of your apps either. So the only place Facebook will now be is in the secure folder. And if you try to open up the secure folder, you will be prompted to enter your PIN or password. And it will be the only way to access that app that we just locked. So if you want to take it one step further and now hide the app altogether, you can also do that by going to settings, okay? Going back into your security and privacy, going back into more security settings, and then going once again into secure folder setting. Okay, you're gonna have to enter your PIN. Okay, and then all we're gonna have to do now is disable this add secure folder to apps screen. So if you disable it, okay, and then confirm by hitting hide, now your secure folder will not even be in the apps or on the home screen. It won't be anywhere to be found. So the apps that you hid along with the entire secure folder will be hidden completely. Okay, so the only thing is, you're not going to be able to access it until you unhide it once again. So you're going to have to go back to settings, go back into more security settings, security and privacy, more security settings, secure folder. You're going to have to enter your PIN, and then you're going to have to enable once again add secure folder to app screen. Okay, so that, now you'll have the secure folder once again. Okay, so there you go. That is how you lock and hide apps on your Samsung Galaxy F36 5G. All right, so go ahead and hit that like button if this video helped you out, and comment down below and let me know. So that's all for this video. I'll catch you in the next one. As always, peace.